Hey guys, welcome to the Bayview Wildwood cocktail class. During your stay we like to offer a lot of little extracurricular activities and one of those things is a class where we teach you how to make some cool cocktails. During your Thanksgiving stay we're going to do a more fun fall version of that. So everybody likes hot chocolate, so this is going to be a boozy hot chocolate. It's going to feature Frangelico and Bailey's. Frangelico is a hazelnut liqueur. It complements chocolate really well. Bailey's is the cream element. It's going to be really tasty. So first off, we're going to start with rimming our glass with some graham crackers, because you need that for your s'mores. I just dip that in some cream so that it's not tart with lime like a usual rimmer. And I'm going to go half an ounce each of these, so it's not too intense. This is really simple. You could also make it non-alcoholic for the kids, but we all know it's more fun with the alcohol. So just half ounce of each of those, and then you just top it up with hot chocolate. And gotta have whipped cream. Pile that nice and high. Now we're on vacation, so we'll spare no decadence. Go with caramel and some chocolate syrup. There's not ever too much chocolate. And this is where it gets fun and maybe a little bit dangerous. Can't have s'mores without some chocolate, but then we can't have it without toasted marshmallows. And there you have it, s'mores hot chocolate.